Thank you. Thank you for beautiful people.
No problem. Today I'm with Mr. What's his name?
My name is Turkil.
His name is Turkil. He owned this bike. What's the marker? BMW? Honda.
No, it's a Honda Goldwing.
Can you tell about?
It's a Honda Goldwing. It's a 1800 cubic.
Okay.
Weighs about 450 kilo.
Okay.
It's a touring cycle.
Okay.
It's good to drive.
How much
Money?
money?
If you're gonna buy it brand new,
Yes.
it's about
40,000.
I think.
Basically, guys, this bike cost 40,000 euro. 40,000 euro की ये बाइक है. I think it's aeroplane. ये इसका डैशबोर्ड देखें. Honda
Goldwing.
Honda Gold
Goldwing.
Goldwing.
Goldwing. It says on the.
Yeah, here. So guys, GoPro as well here, mamma mia, and on helmet as well GoPro. ये देखें जी, ये बाइक है, एयर कंडीशन भी है. You see, एयर कंडीशन भी है, नेविगेशन. So ये डिक्की भी है, देखें. Thank you very much, guys.
Have a nice day.
Happy trip. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.